This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask on PC. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official MetaMask website. Install the browser extension, which is available for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Brave. Once installed, you'll either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember to keep this phrase extremely secure. Now that your wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it. Click on your account icon to easily copy your unique wallet address. Then, go to your preferred cryptocurrency exchange and initiate a withdrawal to this MetaMask address. Always double-check the address before confirming the transfer to ensure your funds arrive safely. It usually takes a few minutes for the transaction to process. Interacting with decentralized applications, or dApps, is straightforward. Visit the dApps website and look for a Connect Wallet button. Select MetaMask, and a pop-up will appear asking for your permission to connect. When you initiate a transaction on the dApp, MetaMask will prompt you to review and confirm the details, including any associated gas fees. Always verify the information before approving. Security is paramount when using MetaMask. Your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone. Use a strong, unique password for your wallet and enable any available two-factor authentication. Always be cautious of unsolicited messages or suspicious links, as phishing attempts are common. Regularly review connected sites and revoke access if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.